Hey guys, this is Coach TK with Kicking Asphalt with Soul, and I wanted to share with you a juice recipe that I use particularly during the fall, and mostly during the summer, but also as we transition into the fall. So check this out. I was in the grocery store buying produce like I always do, and I happened to go across Instagram, and
So
this is what I discovered.
we grab it and we start looking around like, okay, maybe there's a hole in it. There's not. Then we shake it up and see. I know it's hard to tell there, but as you can see, this is not opened up or anything. No holes. We haven't done anything to it. We saw something that was not very pleasing once we shook it up. So as you can see, I don't know what that is, but you point it down there. Clearly some kind of mold. Again, this was a treat for our 3-year-old and really just not acceptable.
So I didn't know what he was getting ready to pour out that Capri Sun packet. But what I can say is back in the day when my children were younger, I used to give them those Capri Suns because they were convenient and cheap. And of course, once you know better, you what? Do better. So I've been juicing practically all of my life, but sometimes we backslide because of convenience. So I wanted to use this time to demonstrate some of the juices or juice recipes that I actually use for my family. Sometimes we'll throw beets in there, but today you will see a pineapple, celery, grapes, apple, ginger blend. Okay. And I'll put the recipe at the very bottom of the link of the video. But as you can see, this is pure straight organic juice. Nothing in those little plastic bottles, nothing that you get in the grocery store that has preservatives to extend the shelf life, none of that. And I think it's very important that we take the time to create our own stuff so that we don't have to depend on these companies to sell us inferior products. So just take a look at what you see here. All these yummy concoctions. Of course, I've added some other things to it. I've added MTC oil onto my own concoction, to my own blend, which is a healthy fat. And I also added aloe vera because aloe vera is good for your gut. You got to keep your gut health in check. So I just wanted to share this with you and enjoy the delicious, yummy juice. This is the part I hate, the cleanup. The cleanup. That's the part I don't like. So now everything is put up. Yes.